Okay, so we're trying something different here. It's called a tripod. And I'm not sure if this is going to work because I can't see what's going on, but we're going to start up the system. So we have to go get Notepad. So these are the three things that I usually use: Notepad, start up Python, and get a command prompt going, right? So I have kind of, like you can see, 99% disk. Yes, I'm terrible. Notepad, COMM, command prompt, and Python 3.7. I use the 32-bit app. I don't know if there is a 64-bit app. Okay, so start up Python, start the command prompt, go get the script we're trying to run. I'm still trying to run through the personalized version of day 2, script 1 of Python, pyImageSearch. So I tried using this image, which is really nice, but I prefer not to do it, only because it's not as good as others, I think. So I did try a different one, group 3. So let's open the script that I'm customizing as we go. So I customized it for the group 3 photo. I'm just going to run through this. I'm going to change the photo name also so that you can see what's going on. So file, run. And it's hard-coded, the photo is in there, so here we go. Enter. I have to go there. D2PY. Okay. Okay. Taking some time to start up. Okay, and so this is the first image. It's a 4,000 by 6,000 pixel image, so it's huge, right? This is a cutout of the image that is, I think, 200 by 200 or something like that. Here is the image, I forget what that is, scaled to a certain size without it being accommodating for distortion. So here is scaling with it aspect ratio considered, right? And this is using IMUtil, so slightly different. Let's see, is there a difference that we see there? I think, oh yeah, because one required you do some calculations, this one is just using a utility. Okay, so this is a rotated version of the image, but it's not resized, so because it's so huge, you don't see anything. And this is the rotated version compressed with a resize into a different space. But it, I think I added this. But see how it's still cut off? Okay, and this is it, where the frame is sized to the outer bounds of the photo. This is a Gaussian blur, which is sort of like a smoothing, they call it. And then here there was a very specific face in the original photo that happened to be there. And there's a dot that happened to be placed in that spot. So we could adjust that, but I'm not going to do that. And then here is a print of what it is, but of course our image is different, right? So that's pretty much it. And then there were a couple of things printed out. One is the size of the image, 4,000 wide by 6,000 high, and depth of 3, R, G, and B. Those are the channels. And then at the position that was specified in the script, which I will tell you what that is right now, it was, the RGB values were at 100, 500, 150, the RGB values were 6, 7, and 9. And I have another longer video where I went through all of that, and I'm not going to go through all of that right now. But we could, if we opened GIMP and go to that point, we could see those same values. So that's pretty much it. Let's see if we do a slightly different one. Not sure which one. let's take a look at the and never mind. We'll just go for it. So let's do group 2. I have no idea what this is, right? So I think that's the only place I need to put it. Okay. Group 2. So again, very large. Cut out of part of it. Oh, here it is compressed, so slightly. Wow. That's really funky. Okay, resize, rotation, rotation after I resize it. So this is something I did that was custom. Okay, Gaussian blur. Ta-da! Okay, and then the R is 27, 31, 34. Okay, so that's pretty much what day 2, script 1 was all about. And now I'm going to do day 2, script 2.